Hey man, look how crispy brown this chicken is. Just the hot, just the buffalo. You see how crispy brown that is? What are we doing, America? Man, look here, man. Boy, this is not a game. Like, I'm for real about this. You know what I'm talking about? Come here. Hey, look here. This how you know your chicken good. She didn't want some at first. She took one bite. She took one bite. Now watch. Look at when the baby eating it, that's when you know it's good. Look at that face. What's good, everybody? Glass Bitter Daddy Vlog Life. Memorial Monday. Hey, look at me, my Sunday fun day, nigga. Yeah, kind of wild, kind of off the chain. Talking about it. So, gotta make a food store run, grab some food to cook, eat, the whole deal, stuff like that. Yeah, playroom damn near mess. Yeah, I gotta clean that up when I get back. Girls eating right now, so I'm definitely on some comfortable shit, as you can see from my attire. So I gotta run to this HEB, grab some food. I already got a little mini list. Girls on their phones. See if they gonna say hey real quick. Say hey. What you eating?
Ice cream. I'm eating ranch.
Very good. Ranch or what?
Oh, ice cream.
Okay. What did you have with your ranch? What did you eat with your ranch?
From my finger.
No. What did you eat before you ate your ranch? You had ranch or what?
Nuggets.
High five. There we go. Some time. Yeah, so I'll be back. I'll vlog y'all from the truck because I gotta run HEB. Be back. Man, check it out. This goddamn HEB is so goddamn packed. But everybody looking for food, so that's kind of how it goes. Motherfucker, extra packed. Yeah, man. Ooh, shit. I'm looking for motherfucking chicken right here. I need to look and see what I'm gonna grab. Yeah, chicken. Yeah, and we're gonna talk about chicken again, but. Yeah, I'm looking. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, be back. What's up, everybody? Back, Glass Bitter Daddy Vlog Life. Just turned my grease on. So I got my grease on. My grease got to get warm for 20 minutes. Then I already got my chicken thawing. So I had my chicken thawing. Been thawing for about 15 minutes. And then after the 15 minutes ran out on my chicken thawing, then I turned on my grease, put 20 minutes back on the timer because it takes the grease that time to warm up. I'm gonna spend that time prepping my food. We got to season. Do my chicken batter. I use specific Louisiana chicken batter rather than regular flour. And then I still got to get my seasonings together because I'm doing 2 different batches. I'm doing a lemon pepper, and then I'm doing just, you know, a Cajun flavor. So since I'm doing that, I just got to get my seasonings together, separate all that, and get that together. Still got to do my bags, my dippings, and everything because I want my batter and everything extra crisp and a little bit hard. So I kind of got like double dip my batter. So back doing that, so I'll be back and I'll show y'all as far as the chicken, what I got prepared, and then after what I got prepared, then y'all gonna see it, kind of look at it and fry. So be back. This is what's going on right now.
Go playground.
Hey, watch the cord, watch the cord, watch the cord, watch the cord.
Daddy, playground. Daddy.
Yeah, but it's kind of hot out there. It's kind of hot. You gonna go back inside? Back inside?
No. I don't want to go back inside. Let's go in the pen.
You bring your baby? Hey, be careful with your baby.
Okay.
Be careful. See, now they want to do all this, and we got to chill on this because I still got food I got to cook. So let me try to see if I can get this handled real quick. Goodness. What color you want?
Pick me out so I can pick one.
Here. I have yellow and I have purple over there. You want yellow and purple?
No, I want some purple.
Okay.
Heavy.
Okay. Pick your color.
Just Play-Doh.
Okay. Okay, I'm back with my chicken. Another few different seasonings. So, yeah, I'll show you out this thing. Okay, so chicken thawed, stuff ready to go. Got my seasoned chicken, lemon pepper. Gotta add a little more seasoning to it. But chicken, my lemon pepper. Add a little more seasoning to it. Take this and I gotta dip it in this water because I already got some batter, some particular specific type of batter. In here.
No, you cannot have
So I'm still gonna season it a little bit because you know the batter took some of it off.
I need fish.
Season it. Add
Now you gotta give me
specialty to it.
what I'm talking.
Now I'm really gonna do like 3 or 4 of these at a time, but I just want to kind of show you like what's going on and what I'm working with. If I want to make it a little more crispy, I kind of dip in the batter again and repeat the process. A little more lemon pepper on that boy. Get it right.
You're not gonna have a fish. Unless you be good.
Re-season it, boy. Bam, and there goes one. And I repeat, and I got 60. Okay, 1 second.
Like this goldfish.
Yep. In between that, opening up Play-Doh for the girl. Here you go. Thank you. Be back.
I want to watch Coach.
Double batter chicken. Spice on there. Got my grease hot. Strainer. Chicken. About to drop it on in there. All kind of shit on my hands. I'm gonna let that cook 13 minutes. Somewhere in between 11 and 13. I'm gonna check on it around 9. Actually, I'm gonna pull it out around 8. Poke a few holes in it, then drop it back in there, and then somewhere in between 11 and 13. Hey, look here. Check me out. See that? And it's crisp. Very crisp. As you can see, I already been on my game. That's the lemon pepper. Now I got the buffalo coming now. Game time. Look here, man. You gotta check this out. Look how cooked and how thorough that is. You know what I'm saying? Lemon pepper, come on. Wingstop, you don't want to see me. You don't want no smoke at all. Look at that. How cooked that is all the way through. Yeah. Hey, check it. Hey, this how you know it's good. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, look here. This how you know your chicken good. She didn't want some at first. She took one bite. She took one bite. Now watch. Look at when the baby eating it, that's when you know it's good. Look at that face. Look at that face over there. That's when you know you on your game. I'm talking about it. I'll be back. Hey man, look how crispy brown this chicken is. Just the hot, just the buffalo. You see how crispy brown that is? What are we doing, America? Man, look at man, boy, this is not a game. Like, I'm for real about this. You know what I'm talking about? Finally done. Chicken is done. Looking so thrilled. Get something to eat. Take them to the park. Then edit this vlog and get it in. Eighth time. Oh, and it's super real. Oh, it's super in the game. EA Sports, come on. Might need to be on Hell's Kitchen. You know what I'm talking about? Bam. Lunchable girl. But she love daddy chicken, so yeah. Betty Daddy Fried Chicken. I'm talking about, gotta get it in. I get it, y'all. 8th time Betty Daddy vlog later.